Welcome back to Car Tips Tuesdays by Tony's Toys. I'm here with Tony Williams, the man here at Tony's Toys. Tony's Toys is a full-service automotive center. You sell, you lease, you repair, inspect, and license vehicles. In addition, you have a parts department that stocks parts for all makes and models, from oil to tires and everything in between. And that goes for cars from all over the world, including Europe. What are some of the specialties, or what are some of the services that you can offer people who have European cars?
We do just about anything that comes out to Europe. But we focus on the BMWs, Mercedes-Benz, the Audis, the Volvos, the Maseratis, the Porsches. Those are some of the brands that we truly get deeply involved in. We have the technicians, we have the diagnostic tools to take care of, and we have the links to get the parts for them. A lot of people, unfortunately, don't know the extent of the business that we do at Tony's Toys. But when they do visit for the first time, they're sold. Because not only do they see our facilities and the technical ability that we have, but they love our service.
Other non-Europe manufactured cars, what are some of the vehicles that you particularly are familiar with here at Tony's Toys?
Well, we originally were known as the place to go for anything Japanese. So Japanese cars are one of the strengths that we have. So if you have an Infiniti, a Lexus, a Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Mitsubishi, you name it, we are able to repair them also. And then we do the American vehicles and the Korean vehicles too. Are we as strong in the American vehicles as we would want to be? Well, we're actually stronger than we think we are, because a lot of the dealerships here who sell American cars, if there are issues that they need help with, they sometimes come to us.
How often do people need to bring their cars in to get serviced?
In Cayman, what we need to understand is that we are listed or categorized as a severe duty country. In other words, we have the salt, we have the sun, and we have short distances to cover. Those are the three things that work against cars. We recommend at least a minimum of twice a year to come in for preventative maintenance. At least twice a year.
How important is it that the consumer, the car owner out there, bring their vehicle in for preventative maintenance?
For example, a customer will say, well, nothing is wrong with my car, so I'm not bringing it in. But when they do bring it in, the bill is so high that they freak out. That is what you do. Preventative maintenance allows you to avoid that.
And speaking of, what level of diagnostics does Tony's Toys provide?
We provide dealer-level diagnostics. In other words, we can go right in, up to any level that the dealer does with the majority of cars, Our service and repair center is actually the largest independent center in the Cayman Islands. We're able, as we said earlier, to service and repair just about any make of car. We have a source to get our parts. We are very, very reasonably priced. We turn over your vehicle very quickly, so you're not held up for any length of time. We have excellent staff who take care of you on the front end and the technicians on the back end. And it's worth finding us.
All right, Mr. Williams, thank you so much. We definitely appreciate your time, and we're glad that we're able to educate you out there on some more of the services and products that Tony's Toys offers. That has been another segment of Car Tips Tuesdays by Tony's Toys.